Found a Ceratec loyalty coupon inside your adhesive pack? Here is how you can scan and redeem your rewards safely and easily. Inside selected Ceratec adhesive packs, you will find a printed QR coupon. This coupon carries a reward amount. The reward value depends on the product you have purchased. There are no points to collect, no registration charges, and no hidden fees. To redeem your reward, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open any UPI app on your smartphone such as Google Pay, PhonePe, or Paytm. Step 2. Tap on Scan QR. Then scan the QR code printed on your Ceratec coupon. Step 3. If you are using the system for the first time, verify your mobile number using the OTP sent to you. Step 4. The system will automatically detect the UPI ID linked with your registered mobile number. If required, you may enter your UPI ID once manually. Now click on Transfer to Bank. Your reward amount will be transferred directly to your bank account through UPI. It is simple, it is secure, and it is designed for you. Please do not share your OTP with anyone. Ceratec loyalty program, rewarding the skilled hands that build strong foundations.